Good afternoon, this is Melissa with the StockSwoosh.com, and I wanted to do a market call today. My market call is that we trigger on a daily sell setup tomorrow. And actually, I'm looking at this pre-market, post-market data. We're doing it right now. So that's the scoop. So today I saw the market rallying up, and I still kept on my bias. I said, don't think we're going anywhere crazy with this. We're not going anywhere crazy with this. This isn't something crazy. I said that all day, even though we rallied. And at one point today, we're all the way up here. But I still looked at it. In fact, I said this morning that I actually think no matter what we do today, we're going to end the day in a formation that has a topping tail of some body. That's either a small green body or a small red body. And then we trigger on the sell setup tomorrow morning. We're actually doing it now. So, and we came in red. We came in red in the close. We didn't even hold green. 67.22 was the low of the day, and we broke that into the close. We fell into the close and broke it. So I'm proud of myself for keeping my bias despite the fact that it looked like we were going to go higher. Why? Because at one point today we had the bottoming tail with the green bar from Tuesday, green bar yesterday, and we had a green bar here that actually went and traveled over the bar from yesterday but didn't make it over this bar. And remember the market call I did a couple days ago? I don't even remember. It was before this bar formed yesterday. It was either Monday or Tuesday. I don't remember. I said no matter what we did, I wasn't going to get off my bias, even if we retraced more than half this bar, that I was still felt that any rally we did was a rally into resistance. And today confirmed that. So we should trigger tomorrow, or we're doing it right now, into a nice sell setup in the daily chart. And I'd like to see us come down in here to that 65.70 number tomorrow. That'd be a big move. However, we're gapping down now. We have to see where the market wants to go. There's some econ out tomorrow morning. So this to me that happened was a rally into resistance. The top of this bar here was 67.74. The top of this bar here is 67.81. Do you see this? I'm sure this number is somewhere here. 67.75. There it is. We went up, and we just went a tiny, and we just went right up to there. That's exactly what we did today. So if you played longs this morning, you made money in the longs and carried them through, but you had to take your profits. And we ran up into 230. Actually, at one point here this morning, I thought we were going to come in right there and stick with the topping tail there. And I said we're going to do 15-minute sell setup. We did the 15-minute sell setup, and then we did another 15-minute sell setup here, but we didn't follow through with it. We went over the high of the day, but only a little bit. 69 was the number. We went over it only by 5 cents. So it looked like it was a big bullish move, but it wasn't. We stayed green, though. We stayed green for the better part of the day, and then fell into the close around 2:30, which really, really fell into 3 o'clock into the close here. I'm looking at this. And was really hot because I played that PKT in the morning when the market was green for most of the day, and then got that into the close with the market running red too. So the Qs are definitely getting ready to trigger on a daily sell setup between tonight and tomorrow morning. I don't know where we're going to open though tomorrow morning. It depends where we gap tomorrow. If we gap too far down, I'm not sure which direction we're going to go first. I'd rather us just hang in here tonight and tomorrow morning, but I don't know where we're going to open, so we have to see. That would be the best case. It would be the cleanest play to go down. However, I'm not really sure where we're going to open tomorrow. Let's look at this. That's fine. We're just neutral now. So in the room today, the whole day I said, you know what really, really matters for today, I said I'm really not going to look at the market until after 4 o'clock, and now it's 5:15. You know, what really matters is how we close today. That was what I said the whole day. I said, all I care about is how we close today. How we close today is so significant for where we go next, meaning if we carry through and lift higher, if we were going to carry through and lift higher over this stuff, or if we were going to go lower. Now, why was today significant? Because we haven't had 3 green bars in a row for forever, for a dog's age. So if we had ended the day with a solid, nice, biggish to medium-sized green bar with a teeny-weeny little topping tail, and if we had the green bar up here, okay, that would have been 3 solid greens, and that would have been bullish, okay, to possibly carry us over here. that's why I was really wanting to wait until we closed to see how we closed. But how did we close? We closed the way I thought we were going to close, which was a topping tail and a small body, and it ended up going red then, which is even better. So, because we went out of the low of the day. And now we're gapping down post-market. So I said all day it was really, really, really important how we closed today. And lo and behold, we closed bearish, even though we were bullish for most of the day. And I felt that was significant because there was a chance if we closed solid big green today, we would have 3 green bars, and it would mean that we were going to get a lift, that some buying was coming in to lift us up, over. But that didn't happen, and we didn't close like that. So therefore, we closed bearish today on a day that we rallied up for the better part of the day. You know what I'm saying? So it's significant to really, really, really look at what's happening there. And we rallied into resistance today. That's all that we did. And then we fell snug as a bug in a rug into this little 8 here and squished down into it into the close. So I don't know the exact number we're gonna gap at or open tomorrow morning. Cleanest play would be just right around here, but that's a long way away. So we'll have to see, and I'm just gonna look at it tomorrow morning. It's just I'm not gonna look at charts the rest of the night. It's nice to have a clean break. I traded all day today. Just want to clear my head and relax the rest of the night. So this is a market call on the QQQs. My name is Melissa with thestockswoosh.com. If you're interested in more information about my live trading room where I make these micro calls in real time, please contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. I'm also doing a gap class next Saturday and Sunday, March 9th and 10th. Contact me if you're interested. I teach how to trade gaps, how to find gaps, how to play gaps, and most importantly, I teach how to read charts. And I think that learning how to read charts in a sophisticated manner makes a world of difference. Specifically trading a market as we have seen this year in 2013 since January 2nd. Being a good technical analyst and chart reader and really getting the numbers down has been more important than ever. It's always important. It's never not important, but it has been specifically really important in order to be a profitable trader this year in 2013. So my call for tomorrow is we trigger on a daily sell setup and we're lower. We'll see how it plays out. I don't know where we're going to gap in the morning. I do not want to fall too hard into the gap on the open, but anything's possible here. So we'll have to see how it goes. This is Melissa with thestockswoosh.com. If you're interested in more information, contact me. Thanks, everybody, and have a great night.